this video, I'm going to show you how to download the software and install it into your MetaTrader 5 platform. First, you want to go to github.com/TradingToolCrypto, and you'll see the very first repo is MT5 TradingToolCrypto. Go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see a green button right here. Click on it once and go down to download zip, and then you're going to want to save this to your desktop and then unzip that folder. Then go ahead and go to your MetaTrader platform, go to File, go to Open Data Folder, and then open up that zip folder. And then you'll have a folder called MQL5 with all of my software in it. So you're just going to drag and drop into your MetaTrader data folder, and then that's it. Once when you've done that, then go ahead and just restart your MetaTrader 5 platform, and you'll be able to access all of the trading tools, and then you'll find all the software located under the TTC folder. Let's briefly go over the different software packages. The first package that we have is a cryptocurrency package that allows you to chart cryptocurrency assets within MetaTrader platform. Currently I have one robot that can support over 20 different cryptocurrency exchanges, and another robot that focuses on Binance at the moment that can chart every market from Binance within MetaTrader all at the same time. Next package is the basic package that has all of our indicators and some generic robots with also some Telegram alerting tools and a Telegram trade copier. Next package is the Pro package that focuses on semi-automated and manual trading from MetaTrader 5 to cryptocurrency exchanges. We currently support Bybit, BitMEX, Binance spot trading and futures trading, and also FTX. The next package is the Elite package, and this package focuses on automated trading systems. To go over some of the benefits, we don't use any DLL calls outside of MetaTrader. We use all of the native MetaTrader functions, so you can ensure that all of our products are secure and we're not leaking your API keys to a third-party server. You can also log into any demo MT5 server or your live trading account. Another advantage with our Pro package and Elite package, you don't necessarily need to be signed in to any MetaTrader 5 server, which means that you can chart crypto and trade crypto in MetaTrader 5 in an offline mode. Another advantage is that installation is super simple, as you can just see. The license is actually locked to the terminal installation, so this means that if you have 5 installations on your PC, that license is only going to work within that one terminal that you activated your license. We also provide 24/7 support through a Telegram community chat group. We also support 20 different cryptocurrency coins that you can use to activate the license.